How to manage subtitles default encoding on VLC Media Player. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to VLC Media Player. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is click here on tools and go down to preferences and then click on subtitles, and here all what you have to do now is go to default encoding and you can change it from here. As you can see, it's actually very easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.